What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're going to be drawing Justin Bieber. Let's begin this drawing with the eyes. So in the center of our page we're going to move over towards the left side and draw a circle. Starting from the very top. Just work our way down towards the bottom. And then back up towards the top. Now we need a gap in the center and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line up the top of that circle. Just bring this down towards the same height that we have on the left. And go back up towards the top. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, curve around and in, and curve that back out. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now draw that same size circle in the center of the eye for the pupil, but we're going to tuck this in behind the highlight. So we'll start at the bottom, just work our way around, back out. Do the same thing on the right side. Let's fill the pupils in black. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the eyebrows. On top of the left eye, we're going to draw a straight line going across. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now from the inside, we're just going to curl this up. Going in, just pulling that up. Do the same thing on the right side. And we'll connect the outside to the inside with a curve. We're going to go up and then pull that in. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to line up the bottom edge of the nose with the bottom edge of the eye. So we move to the center, starting on the left, curve down in the middle, then up on the right. Now we're going to step up and draw a short curve in the opposite direction for the bridge of the nose. And we'll tuck the mustache in underneath the nose, starting on the left, curve out, and then down. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing towards the same height. Now from the bottom, we're going to curve up and then in towards the center point, just underneath the nose. Pull that up and in, curve out and down. I also want to add the bottom edge of the lip underneath the mustache. So we step over towards the left, curve down, and then up. Now we're going to have our character wearing a baseball cap backwards. So we're going to start over on the left side and draw a curve. Starting out here, go up above the eyebrows, and back down on the right side. And we'll go back to the left and draw a half circle for the top of the hat. Start out here, curve up and in, round up the top of the hat, and then come down on the right side. Let's add the button in the center. Starting over on the left, and curve up and then back down. Now the hair on the side is going to be brushed out towards the side. So let's start from the bottom corner of the hat. Start by curving down and then out. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll taper that back in. Coming down and then up. Now I'm going to create an overlap. Stepping out, curve down and then up. Now I'll add a point. Coming down, curve up and out underneath the edge of the hat. Now we tuck the bottom of the head underneath the hair. We're going to start on the left side, draw a large half circle. Coming down, underneath the mouth, round up the chin, and go up on the right side. I'm also going to add a little bit of hair along the side. Starting underneath the hair, curve down and in, draw a short curve going back out, and we'll pull that down towards the bottom of the head. We're also going to accentuate the cheeks. Starting over on the left, curve in and then down, and do the same thing on the right. Now let's move to the side and draw in the ears. Starting underneath the hair, we come down, and let's pull that in behind the side of the head. And we'll add 2 small circles on the bottom of the ear for the earrings. Now we're going to add the snaps of the hat over on the left side. So let's start out here. Start with a straight line going up. Go in, draw another straight line going up. Let's connect to the top of that same curve. Going across and then in. And then we'll add the opening. From the top corner, we're going to step in, curve up, round this out, and then come down on the right side. Now in the center of the strap, we draw a curve coming across towards the right, then back out. Let's add a few snaps. Starting on the left, draw 1 circle, draw 1 on the inside, and then 1 more on the right. We're also going to see the hairline inside this opening. So let's start at the bottom corner, curve up, across, and then in behind the right side edge of that opening. And now we'll bring the brim of the hat over on the right side. Let's start on the bottom corner of the hat, go around the hair and ear, round this out, and then pull that in towards the side of the head. Then we're also going to add a small cross tattoo underneath the right eye. So right here we're going to start with a straight line coming down, and then across the top. Now let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the collar, underneath the chin in the center, start with a point. From here we're going to curve up and out towards the left, go back to the center, curve up and out towards the right. Now let's draw on the outside of the hood. Starting over on the left side, curve down, and then in, aiming towards the center point. And do the same thing on the right. And we're going to draw the arms tucked inside the pocket. So let's start on the side of the hoodie, curve out, and then down towards the elbow. Go to the right side, and we'll do the same thing. And then from the elbows, we're going to curve down and then in. Same thing on the right side. Let's draw the outside edge of the pockets. Starting from the bottom of the arm, go straight up, and then we'll bend that in. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to draw on the top of the arm. The top of the pocket, we'll step down, curve out, and then down, aiming towards the elbow. Do the same thing on the right. And then across the forearm, go up, and bend that in to the side of the body. Now I'm going to line up with the side of the body underneath the arm. I'm going to curve down in the middle and then pull that up on the right side. And in the center we'll step down, draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, curve out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, curve out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, starting from the heel, and curve down and up toward the toe. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to the left and draw on the top of the foot. Starting from the toe, we draw a half circle, curving up. I'm just going to bend this down towards the heel, and we'll bend that back up towards the inside of the leg. Do the same thing on the right. Going up, and bending that down, and then we'll bend that back up towards the inside. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom. Taking this curve, stepping up, just tracing that across on both sides. Let's move back up and draw on the side of the leg. Starting from the bottom of the body on the left side, curve out, down, and then in on top of the foot. Do the same thing on the right side. And that's pretty much it. There's Justin Bieber. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your request in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.